It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day. And I am back from spending 3 weeks up in Northern California. It rained yesterday, so this is my first day out in the garden. I wanted to start by talking with you about the situation that we find ourselves in that is so unprecedented in the world with this coronavirus. In the state of California, last night our governor put us on mandatory lockdown or quarantine. So by law, we are not allowed to leave the house. So I am going to have to be modifying my work schedule dramatically, which gives me a lot more time in my garden. And what a hot mess it is. There is so much to do, and I am so excited to walk you through the good, the bad, and the ugly, and talk about all of these fantastic changes, adaptations, installations, new things that I'm going to do because I have the time to do it. But I thought we would start by checking in on some things that we left hanging 3 weeks ago before I left for the ranch. The first thing being the agave attenuata variegata, my pride and joy. Remember, I dug it out. I cut off the, I cut it all up. I separated the pups, and I put the mom back as a cutting in the ground. We have a brand new, beautiful variegated leaf that has shown herself, and let's see what is happening underneath. It's been probably a month, 5 weeks, and oh yeah, look. She's throwing off a lot of beautiful new roots. That is very exciting. So what I'll do is I will re-dig the hole and set her gently back in it after this video is over so those roots can continue. But I'm excited and I wanted you to see the progress that we're making. Here's one of her pups that I put in a pot and stuck under the raised bed. Oh yeah, this pup is throwing off some new baby roots too. But you see how wet this is from all the rains that we got here in Southern California, but it's not squishy. It doesn't stink. It's not hollow or soft, so there's no evidence of rot. I'm going to just put it back, and I'm not going to worry myself with that at all. All right. Oh, and medio picta, the gophers, took the root system on this plant. I mean, like a minute ago. This has been at least 2 months, maybe longer. Let's see. Ha! Nope. Still nothing. Still no new roots, but also no sign of trouble. No rot, no smell, no nothing. Looks healthy as a horse. So I'm just going to put her back and hope for the best. And here we have the stump from the agave attenuata variegata. You know me, I don't usually like to hold on to ugly things, but this is such a valuable plant that I thought I would throw her over here and see if she regenerates. And you can see that there is a tiny little variegated baby there that's getting ready to unfurl. So hopefully she'll continue to throw off more pups. This has been 3-4 weeks, so it hasn't really been that long. Oh, and ugh, yikes. String of pearls. No bueno. Bueno. What are they? 2 feet apart? Why did this one desiccate and look like crap and this one looks good? I don't know. I mean, I put these in as cuttings. Maybe this one hasn't thrown off as many roots. Maybe just because of its location, it didn't get enough to drink in the rains. But I'm going to try watering that and see if it doesn't plump back up. Okay, well, that is all I got for right now. Just one more thing that I want to let you know. What I'm thinking is we're going to be on quarantine for a while, right? We don't know what's going to happen. We don't know how many people are going to get sick, how many people are maybe going to die. It is what it is. This is an unprecedented time in history, but we're going to get on to the other side of it. Time is going to pass no matter what, isn't it? So I want to be able to look back and say, we rocked it, right? We can choose how we respond in this time. Let's love each other. Let's be patient. Let's be enthusiastic. And most important, let's be hopeful and come together as a community. I love you so much. And I thank you all so much for following and for sharing this journey with me. And I look forward to the next days and weeks ahead with you. This has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day.